Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a pipe cleaner squid. So let's get into it. You're only going to need one singular pack today for this one, because today is a small craft. You're going to want about 5 pieces of purple, you're going to want 1 piece of white, and 1 piece of black. These will be for the eyes, and this will be for the body. So let's get into it. This is the first time I'm making it, so we'll see how this turns out. I've never tried this before. So you're going to take 1 piece of purple like this, and then you're going to measure it to about halfway. And then from that halfway mark, you're going to measure a quarter of it, just like that. And from that quarter is when you're going to make, so you're pinching from the middle right here. And you're going to take this, wrap it around, wrap it right there. Just like that. It's going to look like a little bow tie. You're going to take this piece, and you're just going to wrap that right there. Tuck it in there, so that you have this little loop. This is going to be the head and mostly the body. Now, you're going to take another piece of purple, and you're just going to bunch this thing up. Just bunch it up. This is how we make the filling for the head, so that you don't have to go through the whole process of making a whole bunch of, to make the head thick. Then, you're going to take another piece of purple right here, just like this. You're going to place it inside like that. You're going to take this right here. You're going to wrap it once, twice. And then with this little piece to remove that sharp point so you don't hurt yourself, you're going to press it in like that. See how it's tucked in right there? And then you're just going to push it in there. Now you're going to take this piece of purple. You're just going to slowly wind it all the way around, making sure that piece stays in the center. All the way, just like that. You're going to smush it down a little bit so it looks compact. And then you're going to take another piece of purple. Right where you left off, you're going to tie it around in there. You're going to wrap it. And then face it on the inside. Since this inside isn't going to be exposed later on, you can leave that sharp piece out, because it won't be bothering you. And you're just going to keep wrapping it all the way around. Just like that. And then take that sharp piece like this and tuck it on the inside. Oh, we're basically actually almost there. Now you're going to mold it a little bit, fix up any edges, make sure it looks nice and smooth. Just like that. Then you're going to take your final piece. You're just going to wrap it around just like that. You're just going to wrap it around once, twice. This will be the last piece that you need to wrap for the head. And it should look a little bit something like that. Now, you're going to need 2 last pieces of purple. So just like this. So you're going to take one like this. You're going to need a pair of scissors for this. And you're going to measure it first. Just like that. This is how I always measure it to make sure that it's perfect. And then you're going to cut the middle. And then you're going to take another piece, just like this. Measure it out until you have the center. And then cut it in the middle. Now this is 4 legs. Octopuses don't have 4 legs. They have 8, which is why they're octo. So you're going to take the first one, just like that. You're going to wrap it once to make an X. Then you're going to wrap the other side to make it an X. Make sure it's pretty even. Then you're going to take your next piece, and you're going to wrap it once, And now you should have something that looks a little bit like this. Now you're going to take your final piece that you cut and you're going to wrap it like that. And wrap that side. And now you should have 8 little tentacles. Now, yes, these sides are going to be poking. So you're going to wrap them all like that, so that the points aren't out and hurting you. I'll do that for each one of these. And you're all set. Now you're going to take this piece that you left out here, and you're going to put it down just like that. You're going to have this hanging out. You're going to wrap all the way underneath. You're just going to wrap once around it like that. And then a second time sideways. And you're going to take that little piece that you're using to wrap around, thread it inside, just like that. Then you're going to bring it back down. And you're just going to finish wrapping all around those pieces. Just like that. And you're almost there, guys. Now, we're going to take our final step. I've showed this in many other videos, but we're going to show you one more time. Well, I mean, I'll probably do it in all my videos, obviously, but you know what I mean. So, we're going to take our weight piece. This is for the eye. We're going to make it into a small circle like this. And you're going to leave a little bit of the point out like that and a little hole there. You're going to wrap it around that piece right there. Make sure it's tight. And we're going to leave it alone for now. Now we're going to make an even smaller black piece with a circle like that, except there's not going to be a hole. You're going to take this black piece right here. I'm going to make sure it focuses. You're going to pinch about halfway with your nail, if you can see that. And then you're going to pinch it upward so it looks like that. Now you're going to thread that black piece all the way through that white for an eye. And then you're going to take this white piece down like this, and you're going to wrap the black and the white together a few times. And then you can take this little white pointer piece and just fold it inwards. And you have your first eye. Now you're going to cut it about this far in. Make sure these pieces are wrapped together. And you're just going to cut. We left extra space in here for a reason, because it's just going to go up in there. Now, you're going to take another white piece, the same white piece that you were using before. You're going to wrap it just like that. Make sure it's tight. Take the black piece, do the little circle, pinch upwards, thread it through the hole. There you go. Now you have your second eye. You're going to pinch them together like that. The same technique you did for the black. And then you're going to wrap them around together. You're going to cut it halfway through, or around here. You're going to take these eyes, and through the little spots right here, you're going to thread it upwards, up into the head. Just like that. And then on the other side, you're going to thread it up through the head. Just like that. Press them in. And there you go, guys. Your own little squid. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy.